When you bought your DJI Mic Mini, did you wonder how you can get this cable fitting inside this box with the top shut in properly? I had the same problem, so in this video I'm going to show you how. So let's just quickly pack this all back together to show you what the problem is. It doesn't work, it's not easy. When you put this in here and just throw it in there like anything, it's not going to shut properly. All right, so there's a way that you need to basically do this, and let's just take it all out again to show you where the cable needs to go. So these two ends here, they need to sit under this bottom piece. Okay, they need to sit beneath this bottom piece just here. Then you need to fold the cable round, but it's easy if you just do it from the outside, or you just fold the cable round here like this, and then place it in. And I didn't say that it's completely easy to do, all right, but it is possible. And then we can get it folded in like this, which means we can put the microphones in, we can put the transmitter in now, and we can put the other microphone in, and hopefully this time when we close it, it should close properly. And there we go. Okay, if you take a little bit more time than that and you're not recording and looking at a screen and talking into a microphone, you can get it a lot nicer than that. With that said, thanks very much for watching. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.